If you need alternatives to the Korky Strongarm 6071 universal toilet handle, here are practical options and how to choose among them. Fluidmaster universal handles are a common replacement because they offer adjustable length and a reversible mounting that fits most tank configurations. When installing, remove the old nut by turning counterclockwise. Position the handle so the lever clears the tank lid. Thread the new nut by hand to avoid cross-threading, and tighten until snug but do not over-tighten to prevent cracking porcelain. Kohler genuine trip levers provide superior fit for Kohler tanks and use a stepped shaft design that ensures smooth engagement with the flapper chain. When selecting a Kohler lever for a non-Kohler tank, check shaft diameter and whether the lever is left or right-handed before purchase. Danco universal handles are inexpensive and often include multiple bushings to adapt to different shaft sizes. Pick the bushing that gives minimal lateral play and test the handle for free movement without binding. Look for handles described as spring-loaded if you need positive return action to prevent slapping or sticking, because these use an internal spring or cam that returns the lever to neutral. Note that some spring mechanisms add slight resistance, so choose according to how easily your household members can operate it. Always confirm whether the replacement handle uses a plastic or metal shaft, and whether the threaded nut is right-hand or left-hand threaded. Metal shafts are more durable but can corrode in hard water, while plastic shafts resist corrosion but can wear faster under heavy use. If compatibility is unclear from the product listing, measure the existing shaft diameter, overall shaft length, and the distance from the tank wall to the handle hole so you can match those dimensions to the replacement product. Common mistakes include buying a handle that fits the wrong side because people assume all levers are reversible. Fix that by measuring and noting whether your handle mounts on the left or right before ordering. Another issue is over-tightening the mounting nut, which can crack the porcelain or deform plastic threads. Hand tighten, then add a quarter turn with a wrench and recheck operation to avoid damage. A third problem is choosing a handle without the right bushing, which causes wobble and premature wear. If the replacement includes multiple bushings, test each one and select the one that eliminates play while allowing smooth rotation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare product alternatives and find trusted local contractors to handle installations or complicated repairs. We connect contractors with project leads and host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange hands-on advice, compatibility tips, and real-world installation experiences.